Hey Rahul, what are you doing?
I have a doubt, Rohita.
Doubt? What is your doubt?
Can air converted into water?
Air to water? Yes, it may be possible. Come on, let's go and ask our teacher.
Come on.
Excuse me, madam.
Oh, what?
Madam, we got a doubt.
What doubt?
Can air convert into water, madam?
Yes, definitely. We can convert the atmospheric air into water. Already AWG, known as atmospheric water generators, are developing in our India and overall world. So from these generators, we can extract the atmospheric water vapor, and that water vapor can be converted into water. Okay, so it is easy. From underground we are taking water, but in the atmosphere there are 37.5 billion gallons of water vapor. So that is used to.
Madam,
Yes.
I will explain them. You already explained to me.
Very good. Go on.
First of all, this is called turbine. This is called filter, and this is called condenser coil. This is called UV filters. First, the turbine collects the air from the atmosphere and it sent to the filters. Then the filters will purify the air and it sends to the condenser coils. That the condenser coils are decrease temperature. Then the condenser coils collect the air from filters. Then the condenser coil reduces the temperature. Then the water vapor converts into water drops. The water drops come and fall in the jar.
What is the principle behind this?
Condensation.
Hema, what you explain is very good, I understood. But how it is useful to us?
In summer season, forest areas and desert areas which there is a water scarcity, then the bottle is very useful.
Okay, thank you.
AWG Atmospheric Water Generator. I am Hemasri.
I am Rahul. I am Rohita.
We are studying 9th in
ZPHS plus Puritigata,
Chalapalli Mandal.
Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh.
Thank God for giving more options to survive.